Hello everyone, how are you? Dollar Currency 21 is here again. This is our Twitter account. Go and follow us. There's a lot of educational content in our account. You can register on Bitmart and OrangeX and make a lot of money through the bonuses. Let's jump into the chart. So here is the Bitcoin chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see, currently price is hovering in this zone. Okay, so as price is hovering in this area, okay, we need to check the volume profile in these two zones. Actually, this area of the price is currently above the current price, and we have no reason to check that. So if you wanted to use the fixed range volume profile, you just need these two zones. Okay, so I'm going to check the fixed range volume profile, and from here to here, okay, you can see the point of control is in this zone. The point of control is around $63,000. Okay, and if you check it in this zone here, in this range, you can see that in this zone the point of control is around 65,000, and we exactly had a rejection from this point. So this is actually a very important resistance for us. Okay, and as I said before on previous analysis, I said whenever you see a gap between the Como cloud and price, you expect price move towards the Como cloud and fill that gap. We are heading to fill those gaps before plunging downside once again. Okay, note that the overall trend currently is downside. Okay, so we expect something like what happened so far. Okay, a bounce to this area and continuation to the 50k zone. Okay, so in a larger time frame we expecting downside, but in short time frame we could see actually a bounce to the upside. Okay, let's jump into the 4-hour time frame. In a 4-hour time frame, clearly we see a support trend line here. And as you can see, in this area, we broke a very important resistance zone to the upside, and we had a pullback, and currently we are heading toward that pullback. Note that the flat Kijun-sen is at the same level of this uh, resistance, which flipped to the current support for us. So 63,800 or $64,000. This zone actually could act sh short-term support for us. Okay, so this could be a demand zone or support for us. Okay, and price actually move toward this with a bullish structure. You could see movement to the upside. Okay, for the upside section, we expect moving towards 70k, 68k or 73k. Okay, this zone, which is the top edge of, which is the bottom edge of the Como cloud as well. Okay, and also if you draw a resistance here, okay, if you draw a resistance here, you could see that there is a lot of confluence in this zone, okay, which could lead us to the downside for the big picture. Okay, so in a 4-hour time frame or low time frame, okay, we expect a bullish structure in this zone, in this demand zone. Okay, and after that you could look for a short-term upside, but note that because the higher time frame trend is to the downside, even if you go up to this zone, the general trend would be moving towards 55k, 53k. Okay, I bought Bitcoin at $60,000 for my long-term bag, okay? And I'm looking to buy more Bitcoin. If you are a short-term trader, okay, you could looking for a um, uh, short-term bullish structure, okay, to trade this area, okay, to long this area, okay. But if you are a long-term trader and you're looking to buy Bitcoin on a spot, wait for a $54,000, $55,000 to add Bitcoin to your bag. I hope you enjoyed this show. See you later.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for